Hello, welcome back to our WordPress development course. This is how to create a custom WordPress plugin for custom fields. If it's your first time tuning in, make sure to check out the playlist above to watch this course from the beginning. In today's video, we'll be creating a custom plugin from scratch that's going to be able to add custom fields to our posts and pages without having to use any plugins such as Advanced Custom Fields or ACF, which is a common plugin used for this task. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional WordPress plugin that adds custom fields, a meta box in the WordPress editor, and the ability to save and display custom field data on your site. The first thing we want to do is open up our plugins folder. In our plugins folder, we want to add a new folder. Let's call that folder My Custom Fields. In that folder, let's create a file and call it mycustomfields.php. In this file, we want to add the following code. And now let's save. So first off, we ensure that the file is not accessed directly by checking if the root path is defined. Then add action is going to add a meta box to posts and pages. This hooks into add meta boxes to register a new meta box. This function creates a meta box titled custom fields for our posts and pages. Our callback function that retrieves the saved value and displays an input field for users to enter custom text. So here we save the custom field value. That basically when a post or page is saved, it's going to check if the field exists and updates the post meta. And then last, we display the custom field on the front end. Basically, we hook into the content filter. And if we're on a single post or page, it's going to append the save custom field content at the end of the post or page. Now let's see it in action. Before we look at our dashboard, let's just make sure our code looks good. First thing I notice is here we want to make sure our version has colons. Looks like we're missing a semicolon here. Let's go ahead and save that. Now let's open up our dashboard. Now let's make sure everything's working. Let's go to plugins. We do see our plugin here, activate. Our plugin is now activated. Now let's check out one of our posts. And let's edit our post. And if we look here, we do see our custom fields plugin. We could type something in. And once we save this, we should be able to view our post. And we do see we were able to add that custom text. Let's create another post now. Go back to your dashboard. Posts. Add new post. Now if we go ahead and publish this and then view post, we do see our custom field plugin is working. Let's go back to our dashboard, blog. We see our two posts. We see this custom field show up, and then let's go back and we see this custom field show up. Our plugin is now active and working. We've set up a basic custom fields plugin. In our next lesson, we'll add more field types like dropdowns, checkboxes, and image uploads to our custom plugin, making it even more powerful without having to install third-party plugins. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I make new videos. And I'll see you in the next one.